Hello everyone, we have the Excel with Yashas batch, okay, for Group 1, which is going on right now, and Group 2 batch will start soon. The starting date of Group 2 batch is December 13th. So we have the Excel with Yashas for C Intermediate Group 1 comprehensive batch for English May 2023 attempt. It starts on 18th August 2022. The schedule of the batch you can see below. Vijay Radha sir, myself Kartik, Iyer sir, Mayur Nata sir, Ravikant sir, Dhananjay sir, Rajvardhan sir will be doing these lectures. On Unacademy, you have the plus course and you have the iconic benefits also. In the plus course, you have the live interactive classes, structured course and PDF, live tests and quizzes, open house, digital notes, Unacademy community, unlimited access. In iconic, you get all the plus course benefits, plus you get one-to-one live mentorship, printed study material, and doubt solving. We have something called as evaluated test series. There's test series for 30, 60, 100 marks. Toys with learner to solve papers within 72 hours of the standard test time. Question papers are professionally prepared. You have to solve, scan, and upload the answer sheet. Monthly tests for every subject will be there, and detailed solution and suggested answers will be provided to the students. We have something called a daily scholarship test for CA on Unacademy. You have to download the Unacademy app, try and click on Unacademy for free. Then click on start the test, and again click on start the test. And if you answer things very well, you will get the scholarship. Okay. Now, today I'm going to teach you something I'm going to teach you a learning technique that is basically what you can see on your screen, that is called as songs. Okay. I myself use songs extensively in my teaching, and many of the tricky answers which are there, I help the students with the help to learn with the use of some tune or some song. Students of mine who are there in Mumbai and Bangalore are very well aware about this method of learning. Okay. Now let's see this area called as this what do you call the Unacademy, the CA Inter songs. What are these? I'll give you some few samples. Also, we also use these songs on Academy, of course, while teaching. Okay. Now I'm going to take you to one simple answer called as section number 144. I think you are aware about this. These are the services that the auditor cannot provide. Okay. Now I want you to just focus on these points, and we'll do the song in a quick way. Now, for this, I'm going to use a song called Rock On, which is a song from the movie Rock On. It's a Hindi movie, but we are just concerned with the tune of the song. Okay? Now, this goes like this. See, design and implementation of any FIS, accounting and bookkeeping services, actuarial services, rendering of outsourced financial services, investment advisory services, investment banking services, management services, internal audit, and any other kind of services as will be prescribed. Okay. Now the rock on song tune, if you take that and fit any answer, that will really help you in your learning. Not only rock on song tune, any song tune. So I'll show you one more small answer. All these are songs only, but I'll show you one more small answer with which you can understand. Now we'll do this small tune. This is nothing related to any film song, but it's a small tune. Now this tune will help you to remember who has to sign the financial statements and who has to sign the board report. So how do we do this? Let's see this. Now there is a Hindi version of it and there's an English version of it also. I'm doing the Hindi version. So let's see this. CP if authorized, 2D if not authorized, in that one MD, दूसरा CEO, बाद में CFO, last में secretary. Now in place of this दूसरा CEO, we can sing second CEO. Here we can sing after that CFO, and here we can sing in the end secretary. In the end secretary. As simple as that. That makes it the English version. It will be CP if authorized, 2D if not authorized, in that one MD, second CEO, after that CFO, in the end secretary. Now the financial statements can be signed by these persons. Okay, they have to be signed by these persons. The board report has to be signed only by these persons who are there at the top, which are mentioned above this green line. They have to sign the board report. Okay, so with these techniques, you can learn theory subjects in a much more easier manner, much more fun manner, and you can also get excellent marks in the examination. I wish you all the best. Study well. Take care.